process he was vested at 1 a.m. So the music that defined your year definitely deserves to.
Mga upperclassmen siguro. First year mo.
Atong mga personnel from CRMO, I would continue to our participants, to our participating schools and organizations.
This very important seminar of yours, which calls not only for your leaders in the community, but to each and every single individual within the family.
Diba, hapit na po na ang iyang anniversary. Itong sendo mga Moses, dagdag kaya ang namatay. That is a very disaster. So, pakita po na ito sa picture.
S2, trained medical first responder by Davao 911 in medical center. Our second speaker will be discussing the first aid and basic life support training. Sir Carl Matthew G.
Thank you, sir, for the introduction, no? Kapay-ila.
Pwede ayaw din ibutang. If bleeding is uncontrolled, insert a small clean pad of gauze or cotton, but extend it. Kung naan hanggang i-insert sa ilong, dili tanan. Okay? Para dapat clean. Naano po ni siya, drawing lang ni para makabalot ta kung asa ibutang. Dili na ma-resolve.
So, saan po po sa 911 galit? Daya. Daya na naman ito, 911 after COVID. Kung walay mask, tagulan ninyo o kuwa. Maniluminan mo, kung tuo ka, interlock din mo ang left. Ngayon, pag target compression, make sure mo tala ka sa
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Doon ka sa victim. Sige, saan mo pag ando sa victim doon? Yes. Before kita, kung sa dito?
Paila.
Paila. Sige, paila sir.
Hello sir, ako si James. Nag-training ko sir para sa
Top 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay ka sir? Sir ka sir? Ang pulse to make sure na nag-respond pa ba ng pulso. So, nag-pulso. Hello, sir. Ay, pasyente, dali sir, nawayapan. Dari sa location sa Zone 5, Ipunan, South Villa, Resort. Isa naman sir. Mga 30 to 35 years old.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15, 16.
The success of the Disaster Risk Reduction Preparedness Seminar held on December 6, 2000. Citation, certificate of recognition is presented to John Ross L. Esco. Citation is presented, and the certificate of recognition is presented to Matthew G. Maury. Please take citation, certificate of recognition is presented to Ma'am Eileen Torres.
Sa ipunan.
Di dagan man ta. Ayaw sa ka.
Leadership and advocacy. Let us all welcome Mr. Kyle Chester Tuta.
Ay, bunta, God is good.
All the time.
All the time.
God is good.
SK, kay wala. Hiwala sila sa Congress. Kay tungod, ang SK daw dito sa Kulyang Kabataan.
So, especially in the current setup right now, where we always say that students are claiming our
Salamatan ako ang 7th Tipunan SK Council, headed by Mr. Honorable L. James Rosario. Ako ang nakakawan sa mga
Kuha na day. Pili na okay. Dira gikan ng katul. Dira gikan. Later na.
Community, but we want this campaign to start in your school. Not to implement, no to single
Sunod, budget. Next, volleyball. Diba? Okay na siya, pero
mga trash na ito. Ato ang gitawang mga asa, di siya ibong na, where hindi na po mag-apekto sa ato and sa ato.
Paul Ibanez, the Earl City. Signed by Honorable
Yung passion into what could we do with the plastic situation, plastic pollution as youth. Okay, so moving na siya ang ato
and another certificate of appreciation is given to Honorable Benji L. Reyes. In behalf of the
Ang lansyaw, dako kaayo nga volume sa basura. Pero kagayan siguro, hindi pa nakaabot ang volume. Pero gamay-gamay pa itong volume sa basura. So, muna siya ang 5 hours na.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1
1, 2, 3, smile.
Join.
in Una National High School. And at first, I really doubted myself. Can I lead such community or like such students for them to be able to believe also with the advocacies that I am believing in? But here comes, karon nakita ninyo nga maka-implement ako